Oh, mine's capped.
Oh yeah.
All right, let her go.
Nice rainbow on the streamer.
Bugs, I love it all.
I know, this makes me want to live in Gunnison again. Right, stop recording.
Just look, is it flashing?
It's recording. Alright. Woohoo! I wonder if it's switchable.
Ooh.
It's double.
Slam the
Good fish?
Yeah.
Here you go, Mike. When you're ready. Oh, that's a really nice one. That is a nice one. Nice.
Heck yeah.
Sculpzilla? Or Jig Sculpzilla, or whatever you said it was?
Yeah, Jig Sculpzilla.
Woo!
Got that one on film.
Yeah. It's probably Whitey, he hasn't jumped yet. Oh boy. Are there any carp in this section? I just want to see it. Oh my god. How deep is it here?
Don't get out, don't get out.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes.
That is a hog.
Alright, now we can let the wind chase around the fish.
Jesus.
Here, hand me that GoPro.
Holy
Mike.
shit, Mike.
Oh. I gotta get him in the water.
Yeah.
Give him a minute. But you gotta hold that
On your GoPro, you want to get the camera out?
We'll just go pro. You found that. Yes.
Nice.
That's a good way to end it. That's a great way to end it.
That thing hammered that.
Yeah.
I was just like book legend.
That's sweet.
Dude, we were chasing that all
Dude,
over.
Jacob's gonna be. Jacob was just
Yeah,
talking
dude.
now. He thought there was no big fish left in this river.
We proved that wrong today.
Yeah. Nice fucking fish, man.
Dude, that 408, I